Hello kids. Do you remember how to make questions in present simple tense? Let's revise the rules. Do I, you, we, they play? Does he, she, it play? Now let's play a quiz. Read the sentence. Choose the correct answer. 1. Do I like apples? 2. Does she play football? 3. Do we go to school every day? 4. Does he read books at home? 5. Do they watch cartoons on YouTube? 6. Does he drink tea in the morning? 7. Does it sleep on the sofa? 8. Do you eat sandwiches for breakfast? 9. Does she draw very well? 10. Do you enjoy English lessons? Great job! You're amazing.